me free sa short video bina NPP for afana omo a push for their own agenda no. And I think a lot of people don't even know the basis of that video. That video no nye 2025 video. Video no. And nye 2025 video. Enti wubia watna homa politicians ama usika opposition kakrana omodema omonunti efa mutirimuno. The video is not 2025 video. You share 2025 years. Menye major show apart from last Friday. Inti asese moti asese enye 2025 video. That's number 1. Number 2, video no krano enye 2024 video. The video is 2023, June 2023. Semundi ma me catch them playing. A video no, June 2023. June 2023. And as a video no, yeah. The video is not 2025. So those of you who do not know, a common demo no, a todana ye bo captainsmart dia, and comfort dimrika eba beshe. Intina social media triamoka. And unti me ayame there because comfort di me, and I'm so happy and glad about it. So and comfort di me home. Ubu mi di ba ko pe ye to be fa picture bi ye de be picture to na ye de acho headline bi asem no kura mfa me ho be mo se ko fodi mirika no ma kwa akohwe. And I thank God say minti mudidi because I mean ni wa ka bia mu nya duane ndi ka komedem because of me wo ko na ubu mi di wo social media na ko fa be hwe ni ye twa wo kakakra no nya duane ye di tia no kura no nda nyame ase. Good. So the issues on this particular video, main chakra was in way. Number 1, Yakobwasi 2022. Yakobwasi 2022. No. Youth never no more agitated. And obwa ages Anglo Gold for Nankasa Jitu Muse or more abandoned pits. Sa abandoned pits na more eja wo hono. E hona boys neko no mukudidim. And let me say assembly then NPP mpenimfo e kantan amenano so moji amenano ama omo nkrofo teniye yiwasum na teniye wo moji amenano wo moji ye e kantan amenano so edema omo nkrofo no mo share that koye say eye Anglo Gold and stopping guys from working. It was not Anglo Gold as of that time. 2022. So 2023, if you remember, we went to Obuasi. Issue no ebeye gidi. Na NPP for na wo honi nim say ye ba be kan nokre na e wo honi nti. E na wo mu dimirika. E man ko for be disrupt show na ye koye. And it was evident. Emma NPP from penny for na kasa kre won cry hani bi bufu say dey until almost stop ye almost say order from above. So ma ye nye show no. It was because said no more J pit no abandoned pit na Anglo Gold Ashanti penny for crack says a pit no mu hia bi mu no. Womo J sa pit na fi womo nsem. So guys are womo de share womo nsa say womo nje no. They are the boys they sent. The NPP guys. So mumra no mess up here. So cool. Yeah, Juma. And you if you never twice walk bassy. Then your bank crying. And I can't say. Amenana ewo hono. Obi no obetumi stop you bia. So be kosa amenanim. Obi ani asase so a obetumi stop obia so be ko amenanim bi. Akwa koye adwuma. Enti boys no so kwa amenanim bi. No mo koye adwuma because say Anglo Gold Ashanti aka say a abandoned pit. Nasa wo mu hia biomu a. Why is it that so be na beji amena na boss say captain ko na nkwasha amena nim no nkoye adwuma na ma mo bi nkonkoye obi. Na boys na aka no omunye adwuma wa he. Obuase adwuma be na wo. So when we came June 2023, June 12, 2023.
June 17.
It was in June, either 12, 15, 16. It was a series that started from 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, I think 17. Yeah. It was a whole series. How can somebody sit somewhere and go and pull 2023 video? Now, Odimrika, Eddie Abesha, say, as if say video no, yeah, and Ryan ye show no. I don't own anybody explanation, but I just want you to know, say, sa video na mo can as if say see and no. Video no, June 2023. Guys, ni ye juma wo hodada. 2023 na no mo ye juma. Hom kwa amenanim. 2024 no mo kwa amenanim. It's an abandoned pit. So whoever is pushing anybody to use an old video to come and portray, say, as if say Captain Smart, yes, I know I am the king of morning shows. That's number one. Number two, I know when it comes to information in this country, on TV and on radio, I am number one. Number three, I know some me be able to cancer. I know. And for Dimrika, I fasa video no say video no ye and then answer video no ye June 2023. Now, if you are echo video no or post ye or we no delete ye, why did she delete that video? It is because a 2023 video. Okay, a 2023 video. Enti, the assessor Yebusa Yehune said, Anglo Gold Ashanti, a great company. They are coming from South Africa, Joburg, Johannesburg. A Anglo Gold company, ewo. Bisamu as a Ghanaian. Shawbuase. Na she Johannesburg. And tell me, say, Sani ye crew. Sani ye mayata. Ebusafo. Any day kwaso. 2022, I went to Obuase, if not more, about 4 or 5 times. 2023, Unyanti, ye ko Obuase, ye da Obuase, esa sorry, about 3 times. 2023. 2024, me ankasa on my me koye made. Me ko home yenu apejaware esa ko ho. It's what show was not here the way Anglo Gold for a young boise and so in your boise. There's no water a boise. And so assassin I will hold in or must say me na
before it is.
Would you have what see ya me no kase ya? Ask me. Behwe nipa e deforme obewo ombewo nkwala e ma anyem ene ade. Go there and see. Say any your mind. Can Anglo Gold do the same thing with Johannesburg? Anka kuro ne bebo. Anka kuro no ebebo. Say obetumi akọ na Anglo Gold with Johannesburg. Na we tutu amena eja poisonous chemicals. Ewa amena nim. Na eni ema yare ewo boase ema ni eni ema ye basa ewo boase. Can Anglo Gold Ashanti and Anglo Gold and Kasobetwa with Johannesburg? They can't do this. And it's about time yema so-called foreign companies now. Eba yema muhane yema mutiasi sebi ebru sebi nyado. We can't stop anybody from working here. But the point is that won't be ma metna ye konso. Sebi ebru sebi nyado. Yewra ene na na go ho a masan ko bie ano no. Sanko mo we na asa akoso. Impeni sinkonwa no. Omo ma mo nyina omo te omo ho asese. Amena na ya abandon pit na. Omo so omo mpe no. Omo ma boys no so nyam adwuma. Den ya no mo ko nkoye. Obi ko wie obi ade ho. Obi ko kum nipa ho. Abandoned pits. But I never made a member no. But I just want you to know, sir. Sa video na makwako fana mode aba foforo no. Eye 2023 video. Ba hu mani ngwase. We increase mo seat no. Seat na wo parliament no. Microcosm no. Increase seat no. We emma bonia a course no free Ghana for trim. Se mu ni ma me catch no. And I knew we every book again. And I be ma ye be jaya aduma na ye no. We will talk and talk and talk and talk until say o man we be. And I mean, those politicians now, push videos. Look, NPP platforms, some of them I'm still on it. And it started from our own NPP platforms. If you want to look for something to nail me down, and they're quite some meeting. Mati. Wait, and I'm going to 2023 video. Somebody should tell me, say, you share 2025, I see. The band that I'm share, share in family,